Memorial Gold Cup, GCMGC, is the premier football tournament of the Tibetan exile community, held annually since 1981 in memory of the late mother of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, Dikit Tsering. The tournament serves not only as a sporting event, but also as a cultural gathering that fosters unity and identity among Tibetans in exile, origins and evolution. The inaugural GCMGC was organized in October 1981 at the Tibetan Children's Village, TCV, ground in Dharamshala, India. Initially, all participating teams were from the Dharamshala area, with TCV School winning the first tournament. The original Gold Cup trophy was crafted by Tibetan sculptor Pema Dorji at the Norbalinka Institute, incorporating precious jewelry donated by the private office of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Over the years, the tournament expanded to include teams from various Tibetan settlements across India and Nepal. In 2002, the Tibetan National Sports Association, TNSA, was established to promote sports within the Tibetan community, taking over the organization of the GCMGC from 2003 onwards. Under TNSA's management, the tournament has been organized more professionally, with efforts to promote local-level clubs and eventually transitioning the tournament to a club-level competition. The GCMGC has also been hosted in different locations, including Clementtown and Do-Guling Tibetan Settlement, to accommodate the growing participation. Recent tournaments: 28th GCMGC 2023, held from June 1st to June 11 at Upper TCV School in Dharamshala. The tournament featured 16 teams. Dasa United clinched their first ever title by defeating six-time champions Dondupling FC with a 2-1 scoreline in extra time. Tenzin Tsering of Dasa United was named player of the tournament, while Tenzin Lakpa from Tipa FC secured the Golden Boot with 9 goals. 29th GCMGC 2024. The tournament took place from May 15th to May 28th at the Hunsur Rabgyeling Tibetan Settlement in South India. 16 teams participated, including international teams from Australia and Nepal. The event marked the return of South Indian teams after a 3-year absence due to previous participation constraints. Matches were broadcast live on Tibet TV's YouTube channel, allowing the global Tibetan community to engage with the tournament. Significance: the GCMGC is more than just a football tournament. It is a vital cultural event that brings together Tibetans from various regions, fostering a sense of community and shared heritage. It also serves as a platform for scouting talent for the Tibetan national football team, which competes in domestic and international tournaments. Through the GCMGC, the Tibetan exile community continues to preserve and promote its cultural identity while engaging in the universal language of sports.